Hi all. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Praveen Payala. I'm currently pursuing my PhD in one of the premier institutes, National Institute of Industrial Engineering. I was born and brought up in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I have graduated in one of the top oldest premier institute in India, Andhra University College of Engineering, in the stream of instrumentation. After completion of my graduation, I took up a job in Wipro Technologies, which is also one of the top IT giants in India. I worked there for 2 years. So I would like to explain about me, about a brief about me. During my tenure in my engineering, I have learned various technical skills and also manager skills. I have showcased my leadership qualities by acting as student president of the department. I have organized various technical fests, also sports fests in the college. I have learned from my mistakes and I try to achieve excellence in the process of organizing events and also fests. I have maintained good relationship with all in the college and gave me an added advantage when it came to the leadership. I am someone who has a great deal of experience in planning and managing resources. Since I was working in Wipro Technologies, which provides services and solutions across the world, I got to learn about various and business requirements and its necessary solutions. I was involved not only in identifying uh, the requirements but also in analyzing the problems and providing alternate solutions for the same. I led a team of 6 in handling a complex assignment for a mutual fund giant, which is a Northwestern Mutual. So it was something like assigning, which will be providing or improving the capabilities of the client to provide services to the customers. One of the reasons why I would say we were successful in implementing the project was setting smart goals and managing the time. As we all know, there are different approaches for doing the task, but it is how efficiently and effectively you do the task differentiate you from others. I have applied a unique method in the assignment which would save time and increase the productivity. I believe that the important qualities should have is to develop trust in the team and to do effective communication and to motivate the team for accomplishing any task. I would also like to say more about me. I'm a creative person and I have utilized this quality all throughout my professional as well as my academic career. So I was successful in designing a prospective Apple iPhone application. This application was designed based on the need of the customers and also to enhance and to improve the user experience. And then going further, I believe there should be one more important quality of a manager, that is positive attitude, a vision, and a smile on his face when he deals with people. I believe I possess all these qualities and would become a competent manager. Thank you.